Integrating your current data center monitoring and ticketing system with Express Connect is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Express Connect Integrations allows you to use your existing monitoring and ticketing systems to quickly resolve hardware issues in the data center. How does it work exactly? Incidents and alerts from your existing systems are automatically converted into action, meaning you no longer need to manually submit a maintenance ticket. Whether you've invested in an off-the-shelf product or have a custom-built ticketing solution, you can integrate your systems seamlessly at no additional cost while getting the most out of your current investment. Each account is assigned an in-house Service Express integration specialist who will personally be there to support your integration experience from beginning to end. Connecting your platform with Express Connect is simple. Using our plug-and-play integration, you can automate support in your data center in less time than it took to watch this video. Contact your account executive to learn how you can begin building integrations with Express Connect today. With Express Connect, your day just got easier. Powered by Service Express, the only data center maintenance provider to offer integrations with your existing monitoring and ticketing solutions.